Hey guys, so we've just launched WhatsApp automations on CodeWords, and what this allows you to do is consume CodeWords workflows through WhatsApp or build automations within WhatsApp to interact with group chats, send messages, do sentiment analysis on WhatsApp chat data. So today what I want to do is demo a really interesting use case, a personal use case, which helps me manage resources. So the idea is I want to build a workflow where I can just ping it with a resource. It could be an article, and then the workflow populates a database. In this case, it will be Google Sheets along with metadata and a summary of that resource. So first thing, we come into CodeWords and we prompt Cody with the workflow idea. Build me a WhatsApp bot workflow where I message URLs of articles and things to read. It adds it to a Google Sheet along with metadata and a summary of the article and the original link. So here I'm going to press enter, and Cody is going to plan, architect, build and deploy this workflow for me. So here's a chat where I've already prompted Cody with this exact same prompt, and Cody has gone through and built me this workflow and deployed it. And so here is a graph representing this workflow. So I message, triggers a workflow, extracts a URL, scripts the article, runs an AI summary, and then populates a Google Sheets. So it's been built. I'm going to click on run, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to register my number. So I'm going to click run, and what this does is it registers my number with this particular workflow. It should take a few moments. Nice, so it's successfully registered my number, and in the instructions it tells me to add the number, mention CodeWords, wait for a confirmation message, and then trigger it with a URL. So let's go into my WhatsApp. I'm going to tag the WhatsApp assistant and wait for a confirmation message. Amazing. So the workflow has successfully linked WhatsApp article saver. So now let's test this. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to take one of my Substack articles called Spaceman, and I'm going to copy and paste it into WhatsApp. And let's see what response we get. So another thing you can do is go into CodeWords and click on the triggers page, and we should see a new trigger that's been set up. So we can see WhatsApp article saver is active and has been enabled. So let's go back into CodeWords. And so this should run and it should populate my Google Sheets. So if I open up my Google Sheets, reload it, we can see there's been a new entry, Shahal Khan Spaceman. It has my name, published date, tags, summary of the article, along with the link and a saved timestamp. So that's a very quick and easy way to build a very simple WhatsApp automation.